Python mastery from basics to brilliance, setting up an OpenAI environment variable and running a Python script. First, let's generate an API key from OpenAI. This key will allow our script to authenticate with OpenAI services. Log into your OpenAI account and go to the API Key section. To create a new key, click on Create New API Key. You'll be prompted to give it a name and set permissions. Once your new key is created, copy it. Remember, your API key is like a password. Keep it confidential. Switch to the terminal. Now we'll set the OpenAI environment variable for our current terminal session. Type export OpenAI API key or your API key in the terminal, replacing your API key with the copied API key. By using the export command, we set the OpenAI API key environment variable. Next, we will launch PyCharm and bring in a project from GitHub. I have already set up a project, so all we need is to fetch the URL of the public repository and establish a local copy, ensure that we have selected the appropriate interpreter and confirmed the OpenAI package is integrated into the project. This module is accompanied by a sample library file. The main.py code is designed to fetch the API key from the OS environment variable. As the next step, we'll conduct a test to request OpenAI to perform a translation task from Dutch to French. As we wrap up this tutorial, I'd like to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for joining me today. We've covered some essential steps: retrieving your OpenAI API key, setting it as an environment variable in your terminal, and creating a Python script to communicate with the OpenAI API. This knowledge opens up a vast array of possibilities for AI-powered applications and projects. Whether you're a developer, a researcher, or just an AI enthusiast, the skills we discussed today are fundamental in leveraging the power of advanced models like GPT 3.5. Remember, the world of AI is constantly evolving, and there's always something new to learn. So stay curious, keep experimenting, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions or need help with your AI journey. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps in creating more tutorials and content that you love. Thank you once again for watching. Keep coding, stay innovative, and I'll see you in the next video.